No, you don't need to stand up. You don't need to stand up. Okay. I mean, everybody would have noticed Vinay, as it's a long, tall call, as you call it. But,
even while sitting down.
Huh? Now he's sitting down. Okay. Hey, Victor, stand up. Huh? Okay. Okay, I think much has been said about Victor. I wish his wife Tara was here and just become a grandfather. So congratulations, Victor. and tomorrow we have the inauguration, is it? Fantastic.
Is Anil Deshpande here? Yeah, here you are.
Oh.
It's a good thing he's here. He doesn't have his spouse with him because according to the comment here, it says that he's the founder member of the Great Tanuja Worshippers Club. and also the only aspiring aristocrat of Hostel 8. I don't know why, Hostel, well, okay, 7. I don't know why the word aristocrat is in inverted commas. I don't know whether it refers to the whiskey or to the
frisky.
Aspiration or the frisky. Yeah, I don't know. Well, this is the only person here who we have more about his children than about him. A son who went to Wharton, works for a hedge fund where all the money is, and married a girl who is a cardiologist. Now, I don't know if that's the son or him. And of course,
it's a son.
It's a son, okay. Well, a lot of us need cardiologists right here. Okay. An interesting story about his wedding, which I'm sure Rita remembers very well. It says here that there was a 2-ton white horse rented for the Barat who almost stampeded with the groom in the parking lot of the Atlanta Hyatt. So that's certainly a memorable wedding. I don't know who sent it in, but this obviously must have been a very memorable wedding and people are going to remember it for a long time to come. Yeah, better known in the institute as Fresher, also an outstanding sports person, captain of the IIT contingent in the 5th year, athletics, and all-round good guy. Devki Agarwal. Bala Subramaniam.
Balu.
Balu is in the coal industry and great guy to create situations to bunk classes, whatever that means. And his favorite phrase is, "Here lies the point," which could be translated as, "Yahan Bindu Vishram karta hai." Rajendra Dugar. Eighth hostel man. His ambition was to join the IPS, which luckily for both him and the IPS he didn't. Instead he went into business, a family business, and he once told me the story about his family offering to pay him an IPS salary provided he didn't join the IPS. Ajit Gopal Das.
Where's Ajit? Ah, there we are. Yes. Ajit, are you still writing? Are you still writing?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, because we were, I think Victor, you and I were on one of the technique boards together at one stage. Eh? But if you're still writing, I'd like to catch up with you at some stage. Eh?
Ajit Gujar.
Huh?
Shabir Kaji ji
Shabir is here.
is there. Always quietly doing work in the background. He's also one of the organizers. I see his name on a lot of the mails. Arvind Korde.
I think we're going to put him in touch with somebody because he's very good at the non-veg jokes, and I'm not sure it'll go very well with the vegetarians.
That covers the list that we have. There's one more list, a little more poignant, and that's of departed friends. I'm sorry to inform that, obviously, as expected, we did lose a lot of our colleagues over the years. And I think the very first one was a good friend, Vinod Lal, our tennis champion, Hostel 8, topper in civil, etc., who died in a tragic accident in Delhi just a few months after passing out, I should think within the year. There are, of course, such cases, and at least the names that we know, we have put up here. Mahindra Malu, Rajan Zatakia, Prasad Prabhu Desai, Vinod Lal, Ashok Ingle, Shailesh Iyengar, Peter Menezes. And I think it would be fitting if we could stand for a minute in memory of these gentlemen. That completes the introduction session, and Ajit Gujjar and Vasant Naik have a few words to say about the yearbook.
She was the team member as well, even though lately Vasant really has put in the hard work in getting this PDF file that you are about to see. By the way, when you registered this morning, you all got a copy of the DVD. We also saw the value of pictures and what they really do to the yearbook. So for those of you that did not get a chance to submit their pictures, please do so.
And we have three of them here. I think Victor, Daddy Berger, and who's the? Yeah, Dilip Bhandarkar.
Dilip Bhandarkar,
So,
yeah.
three of them are there. Remaining three are not here, but we would include that in the printed version. The section. This is basically divided in 4 sections. First one is the articles, where some people wrote. I think it's the first one you will see after this is the Illustrated Weekly article on the Koina Relief Fund that IIT, our batch and the rest of them built a school after the earthquake relief fund. So there was a 6-page article in Illustrated Weekly. Thanks to Roop Jyoti, who retained the original Illustrated Weekly of June 1968, brought it to Mumbai and gave it. We scanned that page. Then the next one, we had the technique edited by Ajit Gopaldas and I think Larry Krigri was there. That's our parting issue, 25th April 1970, which talks about most of our batch. So that's also scanned and kept. It's about 8-page magazine, yeah.
स्वतंत्रते भगवती योगी जन पर ब्रह्म वदती जे जे उत्तम उदात उन्नत महन मधुरते ते स्वतंत्रते भगवती स्वतंत्रते भगवती सर्वतव सहचारी होते वंदे त्वामहं यशोयुतां वन्दे यशोयुतां वन्दे स्वतंत्रते भगवती त्वामहं यशोयुतां वन्दे यशोयुतां वन्दे वन्दे वन्दे